Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can join Hostinger affiliate program. First, go to your Chrome and search for Hostinger affiliate program sign up. Click on this first link right here. After that, click on Access Affiliate Program. You can read this privacy policy right here. Once done, click these two check boxes and hit continue. So on this page, you just have to log in your account or create a new one if you don't have an account. So let's click on Partner Sign Up below. Over here, you have 4 steps to finish. You just have to fill out the sections over here. It will mostly be about you and your business. Once done, click Next below. On step 2, just input your name, email, and create your password. Make sure that your password strength is strong. After that, click on Next. On the next step, this will require you to include your social media links and your monthly views as well. Fill this out and click Next once done. On the last step, this is just a privacy policy. Make sure to read this one and check these boxes over here. Check this CAPTCHA. Once all done, hit sign up. And as you can see here, this may take a while since your application will be reviewed by their team. An account manager will contact you about the result. And there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.